Time for your car's MOT test, or have you noticed an unfamiliar noise? ACG Auto Repairs has been providing a reliable and honest MOT and vehicle repairs service to our customers in and around Cheltenham for the last 20 years. We specialise in cars, light vans and motorcycles, providing mechanical repairs and air conditioning, as well as tyres, exhausts and batteries, all at competitive rates. Our team of qualified mechanics provide a wealth of experience for all makes and models of vehicles, and will always quote you before we carry out any work. Find out more from our website. Call us in Prestbury at ACG Auto Repairs.